Unfortunately, this proposal was spread around the world until now. And the shape of our cities are totally designed based on this massive solidification, building for the social housing in the outskirts, motor highways, high-speed ways, bridges. In the other chart, Le Corbusier said the city that succeeds is the one that moves faster and fewer.
An instrument, and the instrument is to reach a high quality of life, what nowadays is often called high quality development. One often also on the fashionable statement in China even nowadays, high quality development. So if you define what you want to have in terms of air quality,
Centro fit the public space of the city center. Back then, we divided the inner core, the medieval part of the city, and the downtown area of the city into 4 separate areas. We've had architectural competitions, and we had a lot of roadworks and public space in the middle, in the center of the city. We are now 20 years after expanding that system. We are building 2 new metro lines and 1 new BRT or metro bus, if you want, line. So, because we want to increase the offer of the public transportation in the city towards, and then bring them back and increase the offer of housing. This is going to be public housing. This used to be a private neighborhood. We bought it, and now we are transforming it into a qualified neighborhood, maintaining hopefully this neighborhood sense, this community sense. Another thing that we are doing, we are building affordable housing for the middle class in the midst of the social houses from the 60s, of the social houses neighborhoods from the 60s. This is not European money. This is the municipal budget that is being used. Construction is going to start this year with 5
that shape our cities. And these elements, connectivity, interaction and relationships are also important building blocks for inclusive resilience and also shaping and helping us to develop or create sustainable cities in shared places. So we are living together, working together, interacting together. These are also important, let's say, inputs, because I take COVID as an example, kind of a shock. If you have an integrated plan and there is a shock, and how do you then react in a transformative way? So that is, but I will come later on this. You can think about it.
Hi, it's a pleasure to be here in Verona. Yesterday I had a quick time to visit Verona.
Distance between the dwelling and the different place where to work and to go to school is more or less 30 and 40 kilometers. So these are the reasons, because you have to work on the urban proximity and how is possible. We have notably the 3 answers. And the first one, I think,
a new governance in the city, which is not an easy task, let's say. I will try to show why it's not an easy task and why it's important to have the change of other experience, good practices, as you say, in order
to participate also in the budgeting plans or making decisions about what is the priorities in this neighborhood. No? And it's clear that they
the new flu H5N1 could be produced in the next years. For that, we have a book